Okay, today is the 6th. This is December the 6th. The agenda is on the sideboard. We're going to write in our planner. We're going to do the warm-up. There is a sheet that I want you to do with the people that are at your table on angle measurement. I'm going to give you about 10 minutes. I'm going to set the timer. See how many angles you can get in 10 minutes. I'm going to go over that, and then I'm going to show you how to identify angles measurement when you have two parallel lines cut by a transversal. That's the agenda for today. Okay. I'll pause for the calls, give you a chance to write, and we're going to write in our planner and do the warm-up. All right, let's write in our planner. Check off virtual tutoring. If you did that yesterday, check it off. If you can, that's okay. If you completed your homework and watched a video, please check that out. Math 8. Homework for tonight. Please watch the help video. And make sure that you complete the homework. Go over your notes on angle measurement because you have a quiz Friday. Aaliyah, sit up, baby. You okay? You sure? Okay. I'm going to pause, give us a chance to write. All right. Anybody still writing before I move it? Still writing? Come on, baby. All right, let's look at the warm-up. Everybody should have their calculator just in case they need it. We marked out the Tuesday, and we're doing this for Tuesday, this one. All right, so we got, what is the measure of angle 5? This is the measurement of angle 5. If the measurement of angle 2, this is angle 2 right here. This angle is 37. And the measure of angle 3. The measurement of angle 3 is this angle right here, which is 72. Okay. All right, remember the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle here. These two angles, hold on. We're trying to find the measurement of this angle. Let's see if we can find the measurement of this angle. This is a line. These two lines are parallel here. The measurement of this angle is going to be congruent to, of course, the angle that's vertical. This right here is supplementary. This angle is supplementary to this one. What else do we know? All these angles added up together will give you 180. You know that one. We have all of these angles on the inside of the parallel lines. These are interior angles. So this angle, and this angle, let me see, do they have a relationship? No. But we know these all have a relationship, add up to 180. We know this angle right here. These two opposite angles, let me see, turn it this way. These two opposite angles is the exterior angle for this one. I'm turning it so I can see it from all different angles. These are alternate interior angles, so they have the same measurement here. This angle and this angle have the same measurement because they're alternate interior angles. So this is going to be 37 here. So this angle is 37 and this angle is 37. The 2 and 4 are alternate interior angles. So to find this missing angle right here, we're going to add these two angles together and subtract it from 180 to find 5. So we have angle 2 and angle 4 are alternate interior. That means that they have the same measure. They're both on the inside of the parallel lines. One's on the top, one's on the bottom. They're alternate interior. They have the same measurement. So since 2 is 37, 4 is also 37. So we're going to add 37 plus 72 and subtract it from 180. So we are going to add those together. And we're going to subtract it from 180. All right, so let's add, what's 72 plus 37? What's 72 plus 37? 109. Okay, so now we need to find this missing angle by saying 180, because all the angles added together give us 180. So we're going to say 180 minus the 109. What's 180? Type it in. Minus 109.
71.
71. So the measurement of angle 5 is equal to 71. Okay, and I'm going to pause to give you a chance to write. All right, yes, baby. You got a question? Oh, just keep it in the center. I'll come get it. Thank you, sweetheart. I'll come get it. Anyone else still copying? Please make sure that you put your first and last name on this sheet. First and last name on this sheet. Once you finish with the warm-up, please put it in your folder under work to do. I'm going to pause for the calls. Make sure you put your first and last name on this sheet. Okay? All right, I'm going to do the top part. I'm going to do the top part with you, example number 1. And then I'm going to give you time to complete example 2 with the folks that are at your table. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to pause to give you ladies a chance to catch up, okay? Okay, again, make sure your name is at the top. Everybody should be back from the restroom. Let's look at this, okay? This is what I need for you to do. We're going to look at these different angles, and we're going to try to find the angle measurement and the reason how we came up with the angle measurement, whether they're vertical, supplementary, complementary, whatever. How did we come up with the measurement of that angle? Okay. All right. So let's look at this. These two angles are adjacent. They're adjacent, but they also form a straight line. It's a straight angle. Okay. They are supplementary. Okay, so in order to find the missing measurement of angle 1, we're going to say 180 minus 145. Okay, that's how we're going to find the angle measurement for angle 1. So let's type that in. What is 180 minus 145? What does that give you?
35.
35. So the measurement of angle 1 is 35 degrees. It is 35 degrees. What's the reason? Because they are supplementary. The angles are supplementary, which means they add up to 180 degrees. Supplementary angles. Please write that in. These two angles form a straight line, therefore making it 180 degrees, which means not only are they a linear pair, not only are they adjacent, but they are supplementary. Raise your hand if you have any questions about how to find the measurement of angle 1. Let's look at angle 2. Angle 2 is in this picture here. What is the measurement of angle 2 and why? What is this angle measurement here? 40. It is 40 degrees. Why? Because it's vertical to 40 degrees. So vertical, okay, it's vertical to the angle that's 40 degrees. Vertical angles. Any questions about the second one? Pause for the cause, give you a chance to write. All right. Number 3. What is the measurement of angle 3? Or how do I find the measurement of angle 3? How do I find the measurement of this angle right here, angle 3? Come on, pay attention, babe. How do I find the angle measurement for angle 3? Very good. 40, but you didn't say it. 40 minus, you gotta stop being afraid to be wrong. I'm wrong a lot, but that's also how you become successful. You get it wrong and you fix it. Okay, get wrong, you fix it. Okay, it's okay to be wrong. All right, that's how you grow, baby. So you're gonna say 40, very good, Ricardo, minus the 180 because these two angles are supplementary. They form this straight line right here. You see it? Okay. So this is going to be we got 180 minus 40, right? You said 40 minus 180. No, I would subtract 40 from 180. So what is that going to give you?
140.
Okay. Why? Because angle 2 and angle 3 are supplementary. That means you can subtract the measurement of angle 2 from 180 to find the measurement of angle 3. All right, let's look at angle 4. This angle right here. I'm going to go ahead and put this. This is 140. What's the measurement of angle 4? This angle down here. What's the measurement of this angle? It's okay to be wrong, y'all. Let's think about it. Why is it 140?
Because
they're vertical. Angle 3 and 4 are vertical. This is 140. Okay. Angle 3 and angle 4 are vertical. Vertical angles are congruent. They have the same measure. So if 3 is 140, then 4 is also 140 degrees. Now we're doing the measurement of angle 5. This angle right here. This angle right here. What is the measurement? Any ideas of what the measurement of angle 5 is?
180 subtract 122.
That's a good guess though, babe. Like a really good guess. Remember, 180 is a straight line. It's more than 180. You see it? This is more than 180. So it's past 180. Angle 5 is past 180 because this straight line is 180 degrees, but it's more than a straight line. How do we figure out? Yes, babe?
360 minus 122.
Very good. 360 minus 122. Okay. What's 360? Because this makes a complete circle. Say again, baby. Very good. 238. And why? Because these two angles make a complete circle. A circle, by definition, is 360 degrees. Both angles added together is a complete circle. Okay, I'm going to pause for the calls. Are there any questions? Okay, so let me pause to give you a chance to write. Okay, so let's look. In this example right here, I want you to read it. Guys, shut your mouth. I need you to read, okay, and answer the questions. Supplementary, we already talked about, add up to 180 degrees. Complementary adds up to two angles that add up to 90 degrees. Congruent means that they have the same measurement, okay, same measure. Okay, I'm going to give you about 5 minutes to do example 2. I'm going to come up here and aid this group. Guys, please work together, get example 2 done. I'm going to give us about 5 minutes. Either one of those is the correct answer. Either this angle forms a straight line with it, JZF, or HZG. Let's look at the next one. Shh, guys. Complementary, 90 degrees. I'm going to erase this so you can see it better. HZJ. So we got HZJ. What's complementary? Complementary means it adds up to 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees here. So the rest of this side right here is 90 degrees. Okay? This right here is 90 degrees also. So these two angles added together will give you 90. So that means JZA, angle JZA, JZA, or you can go this way, AZJ. You can go backwards. Long as Z is in the middle, because you got to go by the line. It goes from A to Z to J, or from J to Z to A. Okay? Let's look at C. Name a congruent, the same measurement to angle HZJ. I'm going to erase this. HZJ. This angle right here. What is it congruent to? It's congruent to the angle that is vertical from it. This angle is vertical. FZG. Angle FZG. FZG. Or you can name me, go this way. GZF. GZF. Either one of those is the correct answer. Okay? Please make the correction. Did anybody get them all right? Very good. Okay. All right. See, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. See, if you finish this in before 2 minutes is up, please go to the next ones. Okay? Let's do number 1, please. 2 minutes. I'm going to walk around if you need help. You finish that, move on to the next one. All right, so let's do this one. Shh. Remember, all 3 angles added together is 180 degrees. It forms a straight line. So if I was writing this as an equation, I could do 97
plus x plus 36 equals 180.
Okay. To solve this, I could add these two together. 97 plus 36. What's that give me?
133.
133. And then I can take that and do,
minus 133 equals 55.
180. 180 minus 133. What does that give me?
55.
No. 47. So this is 47 degrees. Okay, let's do these. Come on, I'm going to give us about 6 minutes, okay? Let's try these. All right, so let's look at it. This right here, all three angles add up to 90 degrees. That's a little box in the corner. So that means that 40 plus 36 plus x
equals 90.
very good. So we're going to add those two together and subtract it from 90. So we have 40 plus 36
Equals 76.
equals 76. So now we're going to take 76 and we're going to say 90 minus the 76. What's that equal?
X equals 140.
No.
Well, no.
One.
Oh, no.
No.
This is the
14.
So 14.
Okay.
So x is 14. Look, y'all, wouldn't it make sense for this to be kind of small, smaller than these? Because all three of these add up to 90 degrees. This little box in the corner. All three of these add up to 90 degrees. Okay? You okay with it, though? Okay. Number 3. All three of these angles add up to what degrees? It forms 180. Very good, somebody. So we're going to add all three together and set it equal to 180. So we got x plus 82 is equal to what?
180.
180. So now we're going to solve. Okay? So what's 1x plus 1x?
2x.
2x.
2x plus.
Come on, baby. Shh. That looks right. Okay. So what did you get? What do you have to do in order to get x? Thank you, Miss People. Very good. So let's do, we got 180 minus the 82. What does that give you? 98. Good job. Now what do we do? Divide both sides by 2. So what does that give you? 49. Very good. So this is 49. This is 49. All right. All of the angles added together create a what? Circle. What's the degrees of a circle? Somebody said it. 360 degrees. So we have 3 x's. X plus x plus x plus 91 plus 91 plus 91 equals 360. Let's add all this together. What's x plus x plus x? 3x. Let's add all the 91s together. 91 plus or times 3. It's 3 of them. What does that give us? 273. Guys, come on. All right, so now you're solving for x. What do you have to do to solve for x?
Subtract 273.
Subtract 273 on both sides. So when we subtract, see if you can finish that up. Let me answer. All right. Good. I'm proud of you. All right, so this gives you 3x. I'm going to say 360 minus 273
Equals
87. Enrique, you're not doing anything, baby. I need you to write this stuff down. Come on. Shh. I want us to write this down. Langston, write this down. Ricardo, write this down. But when I look up, you're talking. So that's why I'm calling you out. All right, so now I'm going to divide both sides by 3. 87 divided by 3 gives you what? 29. So the x's, all of these are 29. Each of them are 29. Okay, put this in your folder, please. Put your calculators back.